guys, it's Shannon Rose, and in today's video I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of a life update, let you know what's going on, because I don't like daily vlog here every day. I wanted to kind of catch you up on just me and my channel and going forward, kind of the changes that are going to be being made, and yeah, just kind of update you. First and foremost, I started vlogging again on my vlog channel, which is kind of like our family channel. And I'm actually going to be posting on that channel more than I'm going to be posting on this channel from now on. I just feel like now that I'm older, I'm a mom now, I have a baby, I'm working on baby number 2. We're doing the whole IVF process again. If you didn't know that, we're filming that whole journey again on my vlog channel. And I love doing story times, and I am going to continue to do them, just not as often. I think maybe posting here maybe once a week from now on, mainly just because like my life is so different now, and it doesn't just feel right to be posting like these crazy story times like here online. I'm still going to post them on my Patreon. You know, I have a lot of like the stuff that's like too racy for YouTube over there, and I'm still going to post those videos, but I just feel like, I don't know, as a mom, like I just like changed so much, and I've grown a lot as a person. I just feel like more authentic and natural and more myself creating like mom and family content now. And I want to be able to create videos that when Snow gets older, she can look back on and be like, these are such cool, like, you know, family memories. And, you know, I look back and I'm like, oh my gosh, she's gonna be so embarrassed by me, by all like the crazy videos that I've posted and my life and all these things. And I hope to teach her when she's older, you know, like I made a lot of mistakes. I did a lot of crazy things. Like, please learn from my mistakes. Like, watch these videos and learn from me so that you don't make the same mistakes. And I hope that you guys also watch my videos and like, yeah, they're entertaining, but that you learn from them. That's like one of the main reasons like why I posted them. And I think if you look back and watch my story times, at the end of them, I always like have some sort of like a message for you, you know? So with that being said, I just wanted to make a quick update video to let you guys know my new posting schedule is going to be Mondays and Fridays. I'm going to be posting a brand new video on Patreon. And there's some like really crazy stories on there, fun stories, you know, lots of stuff I think that you guys would really enjoy. And then Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I'm going to be posting on the vlog family channel, Shannon Rose Vlogs. And then on Sundays, we're going to do Sunday story times here. And most of them will be story times. Maybe we'll change it up here and there, do some Q&As or something like that. But I just wanted to kind of update you guys and let you guys know that I've changed as a person. I'm, you know, when people change, like they just grow up, they grow old. Like my life has been so different, like as I've gotten older. And you know, I used to live a really crazy life, and now my life is a little bit more normal, and I have a family, and you know, I don't know, it's just, I want to share that with you guys, and take you along on that journey with us. And I hope that you guys still stay subscribed to me. I understand if you don't want to, but I hope you guys do, and I hope that you guys follow me over to my vlog channel and also, you know, come on this journey with us of growing our family, because I really love sharing that with you guys. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that is here, that supports me, that loves me for me, and has watched me publicly make mistakes online, post about them, you know, and grow from them. And I hope that I can lead by example, so that you guys don't make the same mistakes I did, and also just to entertain you. I would love if you guys came along with us on our journey of growing our family, so definitely be sure. I'll leave a link down in the description box below so that you guys can subscribe to our family channel. You most likely will not be getting a notification. I most likely will not come up in your home feed or your recommended, so just know that my posting schedule on this channel every Sunday, and then on my vlog channel Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and on Patreon Monday and Fridays. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know that's what's going on. Thank you guys all so much for being here, for supporting me, for loving me, and for coming along on this journey I call life, and thanks for being here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and hope to see you in my next video.